Namaste Yogis, and today my topic is the benefits of Kapal Bhati Pranayama and Kapal Bhati Pranayama, how it activates your Manipura Chakra. So, the connection in between Kapal Bhati and Manipura Chakra. You will not get this information on other platforms. This is a very unique topic because if you know about Manipura Chakra, it has that power, it has that strength. Then you can do a lot of physical workouts and you can control over the thoughts with Kapalbhati. To practice Kapalbhati, a nice posture, it depends. You can hold these legs crossed or Vajrasana. And basically for Kapalbhati, Vajrasana is required. It's highly advisable that you sit into Vajrasana so your abdomen could be relaxed. And what happens? We make that reflection and we will contract the muscles. That's the reason Manipura chakra will be active. So this is a very interesting topic. People they use Vajrasana but they don't know what happens when you just sit in this posture. And imagine when you add some working, you add one practice, means you have that energy, you have that flow. So please watch the video fully. You will get so many new things. A lot of doubts will be clear. So as I mentioned Vajrasana, we will practice for Kapalbhati and we will activate Manipura chakra, and I will also show you what happens when your Manipura chakra is active. Complete. Please make your breathing regular because we were working with these strokes. You will take a deep breath, then exhalation. So this was the working of Kapal Bhati Pranayama to awake Manipura chakra. Now we'll also show you what are the symptoms. So when your Manipura chakra is active, first when you do your asanas, you will also feel your core more active. Your core will be more supportive. So these are the signs you may observe. Do you feel or not? Put in the comments box. The second thing, if you start to get a lot of good appetite, that's also a very big sign of awakening of Manipura chakra. Means the chakra is active and you're getting all the working from the channel. The third thing, you will be more physically active. When Manipura chakra is active, you will be always in physical working. You can be very good into athletics, you can be very good in other sports, even in yogic and gymnastics, you will always be in top. And the other thing, when this chakra is active, you are mentally very awake, you're very strong with your mental perspective. So these are the signs, these are the things that they appear, you feel, and your immunity. Basically, if you have good immunity, means this chakra is highly active. Now we'll come on the point of benefits of Kapalbhati. So first thing I mentioned, when you practice Kapalbhati into Vajrasana, this Manipura chakra is very active. Manipura chakra, because this is the center of our body, and in yogic practice, we believe from here we transform the energy to different parts. So first thing, your Manipura chakra is highly active when you practice Kapalbhati. Second benefit of Kapalbhati, if you know about the meaning of Kapal Bhati, it brings that shine on the skull. On the face, basically beauty means you get that glow, you get that glory or shine on the skull, basically on the skull, but it reflects on the forehead. As we always say that this person has a lot of shine. So that's the working of Kapal Bhati. Your energy, it pulls upward. Remember, your energy should go into upward direction, not falling down. Then the third benefit of Kapalbhati, as I mentioned, your immunity will be strong. So when the immunity is strong, means less diseases, less ailments, less sickness, means you have the cover around your body. The fourth benefit of Kapalbhati, so it brings that clarity in your vision. You have those high sensors that you can easily find someone's energy. You can easily attract which energy is higher, which energy is low. You will start to observe. So basically, it gives you that mental clarity. Number 5, now we'll come on spiritual working. So Kapalbhati is very effective on activating these energies, the channels, not only Manipur. When Manipur is active, the other channels, because they all are interconnected. One is active, it reflects on others. But this is the center of your body. I would highly recommend that practice Kapalbhati and work on your Manipur chakra. But when your Manipur chakra is active, you will find your mental state very high. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked, please press the like button. Put the comments so I know how is your practice. Or if you have any queries, please feel free to ask. I'm always very happy to respond. And please share the video to maximum so people who are looking for this kind of information. And if you're a new person, please subscribe to the channel so you always get notifications sometime. Hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching. Namaste.